Alright, as you know, Airsoft War, except this time I'm the cameraman. We got our other friend over there, he had a video before, and this is my gun. Alright, we're switching out because he really wanted to use that gun, but I let him, so now he's not using the shed. So, go ahead. Shedman always says start. The guy with the shed always says start. We got our sniper over there. We got our motherfuckers. Oh yeah, he's doing pretty good. We got real action going on here, man. That thing sounds like a real gun from... Oh yeah, coming in. Oh, we got cover, man. That is the best thing you can do in an airsoft war. I mean, it's cool stuff. How you doing on ammo? Shake the gun. Alright, you're good. What the hell? Why's my kite going crazy? Shut it on balls. Yeah, that was your old Xbox. We destroyed it. Didn't work. Had red rings. Oh God, we're back, baby. Shit.
No. I never saw anything.
That was a close one. Dude, he's got his gun out there. You're out! Whenever you hear that loud click, you're out!
Okay.
Oh! I've never seen that happen before. Yeah, well... Never F with the master gun. You know what I mean. Alright, so I guess for now, today that was our last video. Wait, do you guys want to do another video? No? Do you at least want to have an airsoft war? Well, yeah. Favorite this video, comment, and subscribe as always. Alright, we're gonna have a rematch. Oh yeah.